Yeah, fellas, see that? That's why you need a radio and a flare gun out here. Especially a radio, because if you get in trouble, Coast Guard will come help you. However, if you don't got the right stuff, they give you a ticket while they're helping you.
Yeah, it's true, huh?
Yeah. Well, while you have everything on board and you have a flare gun, you have a radio, they'll tow you for free. But if you don't have that, they'll give you a ticket for one or the other. So they'll give you a ticket for not having the radio or not having a flare gun. Which the flare gun is actually outside the bridge. That's when you need it, but a radio definitely here. Woo! That was a good one, man. Give me a lasso. Ride the thing like a bull, man. Come on. Come on. Get it. Get it. Woohoo! Yeah. Come on. Come on, see? Woohoo! Yeah. Yeah. We're in the roller coaster ride, y'all. Two options, man. Ride it like a bull or lift your hands up. Don't try to fight it. Just go with it. Woohoo! Until you get some clear water. You get something smooth. Well, not clear, but less choppy. Hey, good thing we got GPS navigation, man, because I don't know where the heck we're going. All right, fellas, that's the setup right there. We got a cannonball, put the pin on there, and now we're dropping it. Release the ball carefully. You don't lose everything. Make sure the drag is loose. Start letting go. All right, I'm going down. There we go. So if you go down about 25-30 feet, you're actually going about 10 feet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to like 50 or 55, so we stay at 40-45. Stay at 50. So give me about 40. Set your drag. Make sure your drag's nice and tight. Not too loose, not too tight. Just enough to catch a fish. You're able to bring him in. If he pulls drag, give him enough drag to pull it, not a lot. Make sure your thing is all nice and tight. Put it on the rod holder, and we're fishing. How you doing here, Mike? Mike's setting up right there. Check it out. Set up. We're going slow right now. Still setting up, y'all. Stay tuned. See what happens. Check this out, fellas. Come on. Fish is pulling drag, y'all. Let's get him tired. All right, Mike. It's a big one. You can feel him. This is a good sized fish, y'all can feel him. Just pulling some drag. Let me get him a little bit tired, y'all. See that? See how I'm setting my drag, y'all? All right, give me that. Yeah, you don't want to pull him too much. Get him tired a little bit. Swimming with us. Here he comes. Yeah, fellas, that woke us up. We're about to have some salmon. All right, Mike, here, come here, here, come swimming. Yeah, it's a big fish, huh? I can feel him. Come on, go on the boat. Come on. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yeah, fellas. Fish on. Woo. Must be a 20-pounder right here. Leave him right there. Leave him right there. Leave him right there.
That's a good one right there. That's a good fish.
This is how we do it, y'all. Stuck there. Nah, he's not going nowhere. He's not out. Oh, roll over your boat, bro. Damn. Oh, man. Look at that, y'all. Wow. My personal best, y'all. I was grabbing on his gills. I was grabbing onto his gills, y'all. Look at that. I'm all bloody. But this is how we do it, y'all. We're about to have some salmon for lunch. It's not. No salmon for lunch. It's game time. Thanks, Mike. Give me another one. Yeah, we got blood on the boat.
Oh, yeah.
That's what's up, y'all. I could feel that fish, man. I knew he was big. Wow, look at that, fellas. You guys want an accurate size? Nah. He's a keeper, y'all. Told you that 60-pound rig, man. I had to do the 60-pound rig, man.
Holy crap.
Oh my God.
Big one.
Woo.
That's big.
I got it on my lucky rod, y'all. This is what my uncle gave me when I was 13 years old. Still got it, y'all. Sorry.
Got a bleeder.
Damn. Best salmon ever, y'all. Woo, 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 woo. Damn. Let me see the rag.
What do you mean?
The rag. The rag. Pop his gills. Nice.
What was that, 40?
40. Told you. I knew it. I knew it. Woo. Wow, fellas, what a fight, man. I'm telling you. That was pretty epic, man.
Yeah.
You guys see me set that drag, man. It's all about setting up your drag, y'all. You gotta be able to set your drag. You too loose, you will lose that fish. You too tight, it will snap out. You guys see how I did it? You see how when he was pulling, I would let him go just a little bit, not a lot, just enough. You don't want to leave him too much tension because then he'll go bye-bye. Wow, fellas, look at that. That's my personal best salmon ever. Look at that chrome, man. It's king salmon, you can tell right there. And that's how we do it, y'all. Yeah, we having fish for dinner, y'all. Sorry, Mike, I made a mess in your boat, but I'll help you clean it. Yeah, fellas, but if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all. Give it a like. Click on the subscribing bell, that way you never miss a video. We'll notify you when you post another video, so you can see what we're doing and how we do it. So you can give this a try, those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, y'all. Give us some support, give us some love. All right, I'm out here with Captain Mike. Look at him. He's headed
What's going
up.
on, guys?
We're all excited now, so let's get back out there. My line's down there, and he's getting set up right now, y'all. About to go back to the same spot and get another one. Yeah, this is how we do it. Like I told you guys, ride it like a bull. Woo! Or roller coaster, whatever you like, y'all.
All right.
Yeah, have fun with it. Never, ever, ever stress over anything. That's how we do it, y'all. That's our reward for today after helping those people out. We're gonna stay on fishing. No, let me say it right. We're gonna keep on fishing. All right. I'm Rich Rod. Catch you next time. Check this out, fellas. This little fish right here. That's how we do it, y'all. What do you guys think about that? That's how we do it, y'all. Check it out, check it out.
Real good size right there, man.
This size fish, maybe a 20-pounder right here.
Want to weigh it?
Maybe later we'll give you guys an actual weight later on.